Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to clean boot Windows 11. So click on start, type msconfig, open MS configuration. Now here select services, select hide all Microsoft services. Now disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now restart your PC, and once you restart again, after restart click on start and type msconfig again. Open this MS configuration, services. Now hide all Microsoft services. Now enable all, then apply, then click on OK, and again restart. So this way guys, you can clean boot Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.